So here in this question, an electric circuit is given as follows, and we need to find the potential difference between point A and B, which are point A and point B. So here are the four options, and we are given with a circuit which includes four resistors, each of 1 ohm, and we have three battery sources or three batteries of voltage sources, which are 2 volt, 4 volt, and 4 volt respectively. So to find the potential difference between point A and B, we can use the nodal analysis method, which is a part of KCL, Kirchhoff's current law. So basically, the total current in equals to total current out. This is the basic application of the nodal analysis. Let's see the explanation part. Like for the circuit, Vm minus 2 by 2 ohm for one branch, then Va minus 4 by 2 ohm for second branch, and Va minus 4 by 2 third branch should be equals to 0. This is the total current and its sum should be equals to 0. So after solving we get this equation, which is Va by 2 minus 1 plus Va by 2 minus 2 plus Va by 2 minus 2 equals to 0. So after solving further, we get Va equals to 10 by 3. So answer would be 10 by 3 volts, which is option A.